Sorry guys, my camera ran out of time, ran out of memory actually really fast. I forgot to delete the previous videos. But anyways, carrying on. The book, and usually like people will say this catchy phrase of acid plus base go to salt plus water. Okay? But really what they should say is an acid plus a metal hydroxide goes to salt plus water. Because this here is your metal and here your hydroxide. And if you say that, then that goes to salt plus water. So that's just something to pick up. Now here, the next thing I want to talk about is strong and weak acids and bases. Okay? The same as strong and weak electrolytes, the same concept applies. An acid like HCl completely dissolves. Okay, but then you can also have acids like can't think of one. Maybe HSO4 negative. Yeah, HSO4 negative. Okay, this is weak. This is a weak acid. You see, it will go to H plus SO4 2 negative. Okay, this is weak. And your strong would be like HCl, and this also applies to bases. Bases like NaOH is strong, okay? But then a weak, like I showed you, is NH3, okay? This only sometimes goes to NH4 plus. And that's weak and strong. These, like a lot of other things, you just have to practice, you just have to know them. You just, later on when you learn more about bonding and more about the electron distribution and ionic and covalent bonds, which will be later on chapter 8 and chapter 16 when you learn about more in-depth acid and bases reactions, then you will gain more intuition, you will gain some insight in knowing why these are strong and weak. But for now, you just have to memorize them for now. Okay? So, mono and polyprotic, this is simple enough. What it's saying is that there are acids that are like, okay? This is an acid, this is an acid, and you can see that this comes from this. Or I should write it better as H plus HSO4 negative. And this acid comes back and dissolves again. HSO4 negative goes to H plus SO4 negative. Now all this is saying, monoprotic, it has one hydrogen to give away. Polyprotic has more than one. Poly means more than one, and you're thinking about three. Well, I'll give you one. H3PO4 has three, and it can actually give three away. And that's basically it for acids and bases. Practice, guys.